How was the test?
It was not easy. They were all multiple choice questions.
It was hard. The choices are very similar. It was difficult to pick.
Our teacher gave us the hardest multiple choice questions.
What did you put for the first question?
I was in doubt. I picked C for this question, but I have no confidence to get it correct. What did you get for the second question? Was A the correct answer?
I picked all of the above. I hope I have picked the right answer.
Do you prefer multiple choice questions or true or false questions for the tests?
I prefer easy questions.